So question number 21, which essentially gives us a paragraph and asks us for the best summary of the paragraph. So it has a very nice start. Has democracy been trembling because we have slighted schools of government or ignored STEM? All those science, technology sub-subjects, right? Science, tech, engineering, mathematics. But then subsequently, it goes ahead and talks about the fact that we've lost contact with the historical knowledge, and then there are certain fallouts, and then instead of STEM, it actually says arts and humanities bring the whole soul into activity and somehow builds these two areas up. Right. So the core here is that some arts and humanities are required as they bring our whole soul into the activity. They represent not only the external life but also the inner life and the conscience. So they can create an actor that no other subject can produce. So starting from STEM to actually talking about or promoting arts and humanities. Now, if you look at these answer choices, A is incomplete. I'll say it is incomplete because it misses out on the idea mentioned by the second last and the third last sentence of the paragraph. So that's a problem with this. B uses the word only, which is a distortion. So according to the paragraph, arts and humanities can save democracy. But are they the only ones that can save democracy? Something that has not been stated starkly, stated clearly. They have their unique advantages, but are they the only subjects that can save democracy? Not conclusive. So I'll say that it happens to have a factual distortion. Have a look at C. C introduces an idea which is not there. The moment you add along with education and STEM, as they draw from several fields. Now, where does the paragraph say that STEM draws from several fields? It does say that arts and humanities can. It does not talk about STEM. So that's an addition, introducing something that has not even been mentioned. And if I look at D, I'd say even D is incomplete because it misses out on the last sentence. But then you know what the question basically says? We are supposed to pick up the best summary. Even when it does not say this, that's exactly what we do. And in fact, if you look at these summary based questions over the last few years, they are more a test of figuring out the main idea or the key idea. Even if some of those other supporting ideas are missing, it's still fine. It's still acceptable. So if I start comparing, B and C have obvious problems, so let's eliminate them. Between A and D, A misses out on more. And in fact, that more also contains the key idea that says that art and humanities are important. They are the soul of our activity and all. So that is why we should prefer D over A. And therefore, we mark that as a answer to this particular question without any hesitation.